Whoa, he got the new room.
Reek leaving his mic
Whoa, you
open,
ready to
trying to
start a new
sabotage the room and shit.
What you said?
Trying to sabotage the room and shit.
Oh, whoa, got a new room. I knew he was trying to be a host. Remember, he used to come over here, niggas exposed him. He used to fake like he was motherfucking cool. He would send me back channel messages, fake exposing other niggas. But I'm like, yo, but you be right over there with them niggas. Where he go at? He dipped off? What? Why did he run? Tom Bomb. He be over there with them niggas. Come here. Come here. Come up on the stage, baby. Come talk. You be over in the other rooms talking. I see you all the time, baby. Don't just chill in the goo. Come here. I know you're available. I know you're available.
Yo, it's poppin'.
Yeah. Where your melanin at?
What?
Yeah. Why you be over there when niggas got titles with my name in it?
What room was I in where you were a title?